Hey, so is there a Jungle Scout UK alternative? Is there an alternative or a competitor to Jungle Scout for the UK Amazon marketplace? And the answer is yes, and it's called Helium 10. You're going to have a free trial and a best discounts for Helium 10 down in the description of this video. Helium 10 is also software for Amazon sellers similar to Jungle Scout. It's an alternative and a competitor to Jungle Scout. In the description, I have the best discounts for Helium 10, free trial, and also a playlist with over 100 tutorials for Helium 10 that show you how to use the software. Also for Jungle Scout, I have the best discounts for you and tutorials that show you how to use it. Again, in case you need an alternative for UK, it's Helium 10. It does pretty well. Jungle Scout is also a good tool. Hence, in the screen here, down here, I'm going to have for you playlist of tutorials for Jungle Scout and for Helium 10, so you can see how to use them and make the most out of them and hopefully grow your Amazon business on the UK marketplace. All the best discounts are also down in the description for you. I am wishing you a great day in the United Kingdom or anywhere you are in the world, because maybe you're not in the UK but you want to sell there. But this way or another, I'm wishing you a good day. All the best discounts are in the description, and here on the screen you have the tutorials. Thank you very much. Have a great day.